Aloha mai kākou o wau o kui o ka ho'olelo o ke iala o hoi o puka. Aloha folks, my name is Kui. The word of the day today is puka. Puka, we all simply know as a hole. Now in Hale terms, it's a door, an opening, an entrance. So puka can also be used for a window. Puka, door. Okay, repeat after me. Puka. Puka. Maikai. We'll try and use it in a sentence. Vehe ka puka. Vehe ka puka. Vehe ka puka. Vehe ka puka means open the door. Maikai. Ahui ho kākou.